Well, good evening. This is Dave Jones with Storm Center Communications and GeoCollaborate. It is July 8th. This is the 5 p.m. update for the Fleet Response Working Group, All Hazards Consortium's Sensitive Information Sharing Environment. We are watching Tropical Storm Beryl. You can see it right here on the screen. This is the 1-minute rapid mesoscale sector from the GOES satellite. It is spinning around in eastern and northeastern Texas, getting ready to head into Arkansas. There are quite a bit of heavy, intense rain fall associated with this storm still, causing localized flash flooding. Earlier, when the storm made landfall near Matagorda, Texas, we had wind gusting over 80 miles per hour and flooding. A lot of water rescues in Houston and the surrounding area as tides actually peaked in the Houston area. I'll show you that. Peaked up to 9 feet. This is located here from the NOAA Co-ops site in Manchester, Texas, basically downtown Houston, and really came up. It's still in major flood stage. It will be headed down because the rain has eased up, but so much surge has come into Galveston Bay. That's the primary cause of all of this water level rise. Let me show you GeoCollaborate and where Beryl is headed. You can see it there in eastern Texas, headed up into Arkansas. That cone of uncertainty has nothing to do with the impacts that are expected, just to where the center of the storm is most likely to move over the next several days. But you can see the radar data. It is raining hard in northeast Texas and also northwest Louisiana. Some of these rainfall rates up to 3 inches per hour, and that is causing flash flooding. There are impacts also up and down the Texas area, as well as power outages. In Texas, 2,739,000 customers are out of power. There is mutual assistance happening. You can see it in the top scroll right above me here, where what states are sending crews to help restore power in Texas as soon as possible. Remember, some of these neighborhoods are flooded, so it's going to take a longer time to restore power. And if you're delivering any critical materials, keep in mind that many roads are flooded in the Houston area and along the coastline. So make sure you check with local authorities on what roads are open and closed. Sometimes your app, Waze, will show you what roads are flooded. You can use that to indicate, help you navigate some of these areas that have been so highly impacted. Also in Texas, Louisiana, Oklahoma, Arkansas, Missouri, and also Illinois, you can expect flooded roadways, particularly around the Houston area right now and along the path of where Beryl took. Also tree damage. There were wind gusts over 80 miles per hour, some over 90 miles per hour along the coastline, and that is causing trees to come down, limbs, also parts of buildings, high rises, tall buildings in Houston. There were things blowing off the roof and also off the signage in the Houston area. So we have power outages and storm surge debris and flooding along the coastline. So we're going to keep you posted. It looks like Beryl is on its way out. The rain has stopped in the Houston area. Let me show you in GeoCollaborate. I'll move the map up here just a little bit. You can see that the rain has moved out. This heavy band of showers is moving over the same spot, which is causing flooding and training over that area in western Louisiana. And that indeed is causing them some problems across the roadways. So that's it for this update. I'm Dave Jones with Storm Center Communications and GeoCollaborate. We'll be posting this on the internal SICE network so you can have access to it and share it with your private sector partners. And we'll also be putting it on part of the YouTube network as well. So we'll be back with another update if conditions warrant. Beryl will be downgraded to a tropical depression, but the rainfall associated with Beryl will still be intense. Thanks so much for watching this update.